She stands where the road disappears, holding the weight of forgotten years. The echoes fade, but the heart remains, searching for light in the silent plains. A fragile breath in the morning cold, wondering how the story unfolds. Yet in her gaze a quiet fire, a steady pulse that won't expire. When the world feels hollow and still, she rises with an unbroken will. Even when the sky won't shine, she walks the line. She walks the line. Moments fall like dust on stone, when every dream feels overgrown. Still she listens for something true, a spark to show what she can do. The path ahead is hard to see, but courage whispers quietly. Every ending shapes the start of something waiting in the heart. When the world feels hollow and still, she rises with an unbroken will. Even when the sky won't shine, she walks the line. She walks the line. In her silence